It's the first day of school, but the second day of National French Week. So I've got a special guest. Let's get going. Bonjour tout le monde, and welcome to day 2 of our special presentation for National French Week. Today's day is Science and Technology.
Yes.
And our special guest is Mr. Holt.
It's me.
You may remember him from our... Who did I quiz you on?
Vercingetorix.
Yes.
Yes. How could we forget?
Today, I'm going to quiz him on some French scientists and see if
Yeah.
he can get them. I'll show you a picture of 2 scientists. I'll give you a little blurb, short blurb, and you tell me who the scientist is.
Okay.
Okay.
It's going to be rough. I'm just prefacing it's going to be rough. Science is not
You'll
my
be okay.
area of expertise.
You'll be okay. Our first scientist is André Ampère. He was interested in electrodynamics, and the unit of measurement for electrical current is named after him. Is that scientist A or scientist B?
Okay. I have zero idea. So I'm going to base this off of purely subjective and irrelevant facts about their appearance. So I like the guy's hair in A. I don't know. It's a coin flip. I'm going to go with A. Why not?
It is A.
Yes!
That is
Oh,
André
that's
Ampère.
awesome.
Bon. And the other scientist is Blaise Pascal. He studied fluids, and he developed the concepts of pressure and vacuums.
Oh, cool.
So there we go.
Very nice.
Our next 2
Ooh.
scientists.
Is that a monocle, or does he have the...
No,
is
it's
it both?
Those are called pince-nez. Pince
Ah.
means pinch, and nez is the nose.
The nose,
so
right.
they have a spring right here, and they just pinch onto your nose.
I like it. Very
Okay. This one might be a giveaway, since one's a man and one's a woman. We're trying to find Henri Poincaré. He was a math genius who contributed greatly to applied mathematics, mathematical physics, and celestial mathematics.
Ooh.
He also developed the Poincaré conjecture, which was a mathematical problem that took over 100 years for people to solve.
Wow.
Yeah, they've been working on it for 100 years.
Was that so that wasn't the problem in Good Will Hunting that they wrote up on the board that Matt Damon saw?
No, that was the Damon conjecture.
Okay.
So, Henri Poincaré.
I'm gonna go with the guy with the nose pinching glasses.
Yep, you are correct.
Yes.
That is Henri Poincaré. Do you recognize a famous French...
Is it Curie?
Yes, that's
it is.
Marie
Okay.
Curie.
Okay. I thought so, but I didn't know for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
She and her husband studied radiation. They discovered radium and polonium. She was from Poland, so polonium is named for Poland.
Ah.
And she is the only, not only woman, but the only person to be awarded 2 Nobel Prizes. And
Really?
if you watch my Turn Back the Clock with stock number 11, you'll hear a little bit more about Marie Curie.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Okay. So you're 2 for 2.
I know.
You
Who would have
are.
thought?
I
Coming
wouldn't.
least of all me. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. We are now looking for Jean-Bernard Léon Foucault. He demonstrated the Earth's rotation with the Foucault pendulum, which you can still see in Paris at a place called the Panthéon. And he also discovered eddy currents, and he did early measurements on the speed of light.
Okay. Guy in frame A looks older than guy in picture B. So I don't know what relevance that has, but I'm probably gonna go with A.
You are incorrect.
Dang it! Ah, my perfect streak is over.
Yeah, A is Rene Descartes.
Oh yeah, that is Descartes.
Yeah.
I should have
There
known
you go.
that. Oh, now I feel bad.
Okay. He's called the father
Dang
of
it.
analytical geometry, and he bridged algebra and geometry with his analytical geometry. And the Cartesian coordinate system is named after him. He was also a philosopher. He wrote many things. He wrote the famous line,
Let them eat. I'm joking. I couldn't resist. I don't know.
I think, therefore I am.
Oh right. Okay.
Yes. Okay. We've got 2 more here.
Ooh wow.
Okay.
Look at the collar on that guy. High and tight.
Who is Louis Pasteur? He made remarkable breakthroughs in disease prevention. He created the first vaccines for rabies and anthrax.
Yeah.
And he developed the technique to treat milk and wine. We always think of it in terms of milk, but for the French, wine was pretty important.
That's true.
To treat both of those to stop bacterial growth, which we now call pasteurization.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go with A.
It is a
Yes, okay.
Louis Pasteur.
I thought I knew that. After you said the name, I was kind of like,
Yeah.
that looks like him.
But you'll be interested in person B. This is Augustin Jean Fresnel. He was the inventor of the Fresnel lens, which was used in lighthouses in France.
Wow.
And his equations on waves and reflectivity are in use today in computer graphics
Cool.
to render things like water.
Nice. Well, that's pretty impressive.
Okay, so that was 3 out of 4.
Yeah, that's actually not bad.
That isn't bad. There was one.
Is there a bonus lightning round?
Well, I do have a bonus person.
Ooh, yes.
Wait, here he is. Tell me everything you know about Prosper Ménière. Prosper Ménière.
His name rhymes. First and last name rhyme.
Yeah.
And that is it. That's all I know. No, I don't know. Ménière?
Ménière.
Ménière.
He was a French doctor who first identified the medical condition combining vertigo, hearing loss, and tinnitus, which we now call Meniere's disease.
I didn't know that.
So,
nice.
okay, so that's day 2. We have a lot to thank these French scientists for.
Yes.
Their contributions still affect us today. Think about Pasteur and his contributions to medicine and vaccinations. Think about, well, all of you who like to play video games and waste your time on video games.
I call false. Erroneous. Erroneous on both counts. That's not...
Think about
why is that a waste of time?
Think about how crummy those images would look if we didn't have...
Okay, now that's the perspective we need right there.
Fresnel squatter.
Yes, for making video games better.
Yes,
Thank you.
exactly. So, thank a French scientist today. Call one up.
Right. And there's nothing like learning about science from 2 humanities teachers.
Exactly. Exactly.
Because we are the foremost authority on...
I'll put a big disclaimer right now
Yes,
here.
we are
Not scientists.
We're not professionals.
But he's a history teacher. I'm a French teacher. Put them together, you get science.
You get the science. That in itself is science.
Exactly.
That's our own formula that we made up just right now.